All right, today's an awesome day. Just got the brand new Mac Studio delivered. Thank you to my wonderful family for this awesome gift. Let's get into the unboxing. So, direct from B&H Photo, we have the latest Mac Studio. Yay! This is an M2 Ultra 60 core, 2 terabytes SSD, designed by Apple in Cupertino. And as always, Apple does an awesome job on its boxing. Let's see. Is that it? Oh, I thought it would pop up and start flying in the air. And here it is. All 7 pounds of a beast. And inside, besides this whopping fast M2 Ultra, is a lovely power supply with the infamous, did we say Mickey Mouse plug port? So for all this money, folks, you get a Mac Studio wrapped in what looks like toilet paper. And a there it is, Mickey Mouse plug on the back. I guess it has some other good stuff. HDMI 2.1, several Thunderbolts, 10 gig Ethernet, USB, headphone power, more on the front. Anyways, this will be a wonderful gift. And hopefully we'll make lots more fun content with this beast. Thanks everyone.